Imagine this. You're juggling a mountain of tasks, constantly moving from one urgent priority to the next, while your team sits idle, waiting for direction. You're overwhelmed, yet delegation feels like an impossible task. Why does this happen? Delegation is one of the most valuable skills for effective leadership, yet it's also one of the most underused. In this video, we'll explore why delegation can be difficult, and most importantly, how to overcome the common hurdles standing in your way. Delegation often stalls because of internal barriers. These may include fears of losing control, mistrusting others' abilities, or thinking, "I can do it better myself." These thoughts may feel valid, but they create bottlenecks that prevent you from focusing on your bigger priorities. The first step to successful delegation is recognizing these barriers. Take a moment to reflect on what's holding you back, and consider how letting go could benefit not only your workload, but also your team's growth. Not every task should or can be delegated. The key is to identify tasks that others can handle effectively, freeing you to focus on higher-level responsibilities. Start with routine or repetitive tasks that don't require your unique expertise. Look for opportunities where team members can develop their skills, such as leading a client meeting or preparing a project draft. By strategically choosing the tasks you delegate, you'll make better use of your time and unlock the potential of your team. Once you've identified the tasks to delegate, think about who on your team is best suited to take them on. Consider their strengths, expertise, and current workload. Assigning the right person to the right task ensures better results and boosts your team members' confidence. Remember, delegation isn't just about offloading work, it's an opportunity to develop your team and foster ownership. Invest time in understanding your team's capabilities so you can delegate effectively. One of the most common reasons delegation fails is a lack of clarity. When you delegate, be explicit about what you need, when you need it, and how it should be done. Share the goals, deadlines, and any specific resources or tools your team member might need. Think of it like handing someone a roadmap. You wouldn't expect them to reach the destination without directions. Clear instructions reduce confusion and help your team deliver quality results. Delegation only works when you trust your team to take ownership of the task. While it's important to provide support and be available for questions, avoid the urge to micromanage. Instead, set regular check-ins to monitor progress and provide feedback. Empower your team to make decisions and solve problems on their own. When you give people the autonomy to succeed, they become more engaged and invested in their work, which ultimately benefits the entire team. Let's put this into practice. Imagine you need to delegate the preparation of a client presentation. Start by explaining the goals of the presentation, the target audience, and the key points to highlight. Assign the task to a team member whose skills align with the project and provide resources they might need, like past presentations or templates. Set a deadline and schedule a check-in to review progress, but resist the urge to oversee every small detail. By delegating effectively, you allow your team to grow and free yourself to focus on strategic tasks. Delegation is a skill that improves with practice. Start small by delegating one task today using the steps we've discussed. Identify a task, choose the right person, provide clear instructions, and empower them to succeed. Watch as your team grows in confidence and capability, while you gain more time to focus on what truly matters. Delegation isn't just about getting work done, it's about building a stronger, more capable team.